you are being poisoned under the disguise of virtue. The modern plant-based movement is not about your health. It is a multi-billion-dollar deception engineered by the same chemical corporations that poisoned your soil in the first place. They tell you that to save your heart and save the planet, you must eat their extruded soy protein, their synthetic lab-grown meat, and their industrial seed oils. They have taken the living, breathing plants designed by God and turned them into hyper-processed biological weapons. But thousands of years before a scientist ever formulated a fake bleeding burger in a laboratory, the original blueprint for plant-based cellular dominance was laid out in Genesis. Today, we are exposing the modern vegan lie. We are unlocking 8 ancient biblical plant foods that possess the actual biochemical power to reverse chronic disease. Pay extremely close attention to plant number 4, because it exposes the terrifying ingredient hidden in almost every modern dairy-free alternative on the shelves today. And whatever you do not skip food number 8. It contains an enzyme so aggressively anti-cancer, the pharmaceutical industry is desperately trying to synthesize it into a patentable drug. Let's begin. When you complain of joint pain, extreme fatigue, and severe bloating on a modern plant-based diet, the wellness industry tells you that you just aren't doing it right. They hand you another highly processed, frozen vegan patty. They want you disconnected from the earth and dependent on their factories. Your body is not failing because you are aging. Your body is failing because the modern plant-based diet is completely devoid of living enzymes. You are eating dead, pulverized powders mixed with rancid industrial lubricants. True plant-based eating was never meant to mimic the texture of meat using neurotoxic chemicals. It is time to abandon their laboratories and return to the king's garden. Number 1. Sprouted lentils and pulses. In Ezekiel 4-9, God gives the prophet a highly specific, life-saving agricultural formula to survive the coming siege of Jerusalem. Take wheat and barley, beans and lentils, millet and spelt. Put them in a storage jar and use them to make bread for yourself. This was not a random list of ingredients. It was advanced cellular engineering. When you combine these specific pulses and grains, you create a complete amino acid profile. But the secret is in the preparation. Ancient people sprouted their lentils. When you soak a lentil in water, it neutralizes phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that binds to zinc and iron in your digestive tract and physically blocks your body from absorbing them. Sprouting releases a flood of bioavailable zinc directly into your bloodstream, repairing your immune system instantly. But look at the modern plant-based empire. They do not sprout, they extract. They take cheap yellow peas, soak them in a neurotoxic chemical solvent called hexane, and extract pea protein isolate. This dead powder violently spikes your blood sugar, destroys your gut lining, and causes severe neurological inflammation. The protocol: throw away the tubs of synthetic vegan protein powder. Buy raw, organic green lentils. Soak them in clean water for 24 hours until a tiny white tail sprouts from the seed. Boil them gently and eat 1 cup to flood your muscles with living, perfectly bioavailable amino acids. Number 2. The raw, cured olive. In Deuteronomy 8:8, God describes the ultimate promised land as a land of staggering biochemical wealth, a land with wheat and barley, vines and fig trees, pomegranates, olive oil and honey. The olive tree is the anchor of human cardiovascular health. When you eat a raw, properly cured olive, you are consuming massive amounts of oleuropein and oleic acid. These elite monounsaturated fats act as a biological fire extinguisher inside your bloodstream. They seek out the inflamed, micro-torn walls of your arteries and physically coat them, stopping cholesterol from oxidizing and forming deadly plaques. What does the modern plant-based industry feed you? Canola oil, rapeseed oil, soybean oil. Every single synthetic Beyond or Impossible meat product is saturated in these highly refined, bleached, and deodorized seed oils. When you consume them, these unstable fats oxidize at your normal body temperature of 98.6 degrees. They embed into your cell membranes and slowly suffocate your cells, causing massive systemic arthritis. The protocol: stop buying fake meat bleeding with seed oils. Purchase raw, organic, traditionally cured kalamata or green olives with the pits still inside. Eat 10 of these living olives every single afternoon to lubricate your joints and shield your heart. Number 3. The bitter herbs. In Numbers 9:11, the Israelites are commanded to observe the Passover with absolute, strict adherence to a specific dietary combination. They are to eat the lamb together with unleavened bread and bitter herbs. Historians identify these herbs as dandelion, chicory, and wild endive. Your liver is the chemical filter for your entire body. When you transition to a modern plant-based diet, your liver is hammered by an onslaught of synthetic carbohydrates. Living, bitter herbs contain an active compound called taraxasterol. The moment this bitter compound touches your tongue, it sends an electrical shockwave down your vagus nerve, commanding your liver to violently flush stagnant, toxic bile right out of your gallbladder. Today, modern veganism is completely devoid of bitterness. Everything is coated in agave nectar, high fructose corn syrup, and artificial sweetness. Because the liver is stagnant, toxins back up into the bloodstream, causing the severe chronic fatigue and brain fog that plague the modern plant-based community. The protocol: buy organic dandelion root tea. Drink 1 dark bitter cup 20 minutes before your heaviest meal of the day. Do not add sweetener. Let the ancient bitterness heal your liver. If you aren't sure where to find pure bitter herbs, I personally use an organic roasted dandelion root tea that comes in unbleached bags. It is a simple daily habit that works wonders for your liver. You can find the link to the exact one I keep in my pantry down in the description below. Number 4. The raw almond. In Numbers 17-8, God uses the almond tree to prove ultimate divine authority. When Moses checks the tabernacle, Aaron's wooden staff had miraculously come back to life. It had not only sprouted and budded, but had produced blossoms and yielded full almonds. The almond is the original, uncorrupted plant milk. Inside the skin of a raw almond is a massive concentration of vitamin E and plant sterols. When consumed in their whole form, these compounds act as biological scavengers, hunting down free radicals that are actively destroying your vision and your skin elasticity. But here is the terrifying truth about the modern plant-based alternative. Look at the commercial almond milk in your refrigerator. It is 98% filtered water, 2% almonds, and thickened with a toxic industrial additive called carrageenan. Carrageenan is derived from red seaweed, and in clinical studies, it is so aggressively inflammatory that scientists actually use it to induce severe colitis and colon ulcers in lab rats so they can test digestive drugs on them. The modern food industry puts it in your dairy-free milk to make it thick. It literally tears microscopic holes in your intestinal lining. The protocol: pour the commercial almond milk down the drain. Take 1 cup of raw, unpasteurized almonds. Soak them overnight in clean water to strip away the phytic acid. Blend them the next morning with 3 cups of fresh water and a pinch of sea salt. Strain it. That is true, living, biblical plant milk. To make this step completely effortless, I personally use a simple, unbleached organic cotton nut milk bag to strain the milk. It takes less than 30 seconds, yields a perfectly smooth texture, and ensures no synthetic microplastics from cheap strainers end up in your body. I've placed a link to the exact organic cotton bag I use down in the description, so you can easily make your own at home. Stop right there. Open your refrigerator right now in your mind. What is the one modern, plant-based, or dairy-free product you have been tricked into eating because the label said it was healthy? Is it the oat milk spiked with rapeseed oil? Is it the fake cheese made from modified food starch? Go down to the comments right now and tell me. Name the exact product that the food industry used to lie to you. This channel is a sanctuary for those fighting to take their diet back from the corporations, and we need to expose these products. Type it below. Let's get back to the list. Number 5. Sprouted barley. In the book of Ruth, chapter 2, Ruth survives and secures her entire lineage by gleaning in the fields of Boaz during the barley harvest. Barley was the absolute foundational energy source of the ancient working class, but they ate it whole. Whole sprouted barley contains an incredibly dense, viscous, soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When beta-glucan enters your lower intestines, it does not digest. Instead, it acts as a massive feast for your microbiome. Your elite gut bacteria consume it and produce a miraculous short-chain fatty acid called butyrate. Butyrate aggressively repairs the mucosal lining of your gut wall, physically sealing the tight junctions and preventing autoimmune disease. Look at the modern vegan protein replacement, Seitan. Seitan is also known as vital wheat gluten. The food industry takes modern, heavily sprayed wheat, washes away all the fiber and all the beta-glucan, and isolates the pure gluten protein. They mold it into fake chicken wings and fake ribs. When you eat it, this concentrated, highly inflammatory protein acts like sandpaper on your intestinal villi, completely shredding your gut lining. The protocol: never touch seitan. Buy whole, hulled, organic barley. Soak it overnight to sprout it, unlocking its enzymes, and boil it into a dense, savory stew. Let the beta-glucan seal your gut. Number 6. The raw walnut. In Song of Solomon 6:11, the king descends into his sanctuary of wisdom and biological life. I went down to the grove of nut trees to look at the new growth in the valley. God designed the walnut with a specific, undeniable visual signature. Crack open a walnut, and it looks exactly like the human brain. This is an instruction. One of the most dangerous side effects of a modern, strict vegan diet is the total depletion of DHA and EPA omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for brain mass. Long-term modern vegans physically experience brain shrinkage. The raw walnut is the ancient bridge. It contains massive amounts of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. When combined with a healed gut, your body can convert this ALA into the vital brain-saving fats your neurons are desperately starving for. It scrubs away the amyloid plaques that cause dementia. The plant-based snack industry ruins this by roasting walnuts in inflammatory oils and coating them in synthetic caramel color and refined sugar. The protocol: purchase raw, unroasted, unsalted walnuts in their shells. Roasting destroys the delicate ALA fats. Crack them open fresh and eat exactly 7 halves every afternoon to flood your brain with neurological armor. Number 7. The Black Mission Fig. In 1 Kings 4:25, the absolute peak of peace, health, and prosperity in Israel is described with a specific botanical image. During Solomon's lifetime, Judah and Israel, from Dan to Beersheba, lived in safety, everyone under their own vine and under their own fig tree. The fig is a cellular powerhouse. One of the biggest lies of the modern plant-based diet is the reliance on highly processed synthetic sweeteners like agave nectar. Agave is marketed as a healthy plant product, but it is highly refined, containing up to 90% fructose. It bypasses your bloodstream and goes directly to your liver, instantly triggering non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The ancient fig is the true biological sweetener. It contains a specific bioactive compound called ficussin, alongside massive amounts of potassium and calcium. When you consume a whole fig, the dense fiber matrix ensures the natural sugars are absorbed at a perfectly controlled rate, while the ficussin actively suppresses inflammatory responses in your joints. The protocol: throw away the agave nectar and the vegan high fructose syrups. Eat 2 organic dried black mission figs daily. If they are too tough, soak them in warm water for 10 minutes before eating. But you must hear this final warning. You can sprout your lentils. You can drink dandelion tea and chew raw walnuts every single day. And your body will still degenerate. Your brain will still fog, and your cells will still mutate if you do not activate the ultimate biological explosive. Number 8. The mustard seed. In Matthew 13:31, Jesus gave us the ultimate parable of potential. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed, which a man took and planted in his field. Though it is the smallest of all seeds, it becomes a tree. This seed is a biochemical weapon. Mustard seeds contain a massive concentration of an enzyme called myrosinase. When you crush a raw mustard seed, this enzyme activates, creating a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is the most vicious anti-cancer DNA-protecting compound ever discovered by mankind. It enters your cells, seeks out malignant, mutated DNA, and literally commands the cancer cells to commit suicide, a process called apoptosis. The modern processed food industry completely destroyed this. They take the mustard seed, boil it to death, destroying the myrosinase enzyme entirely, pump it full of yellow dye and toxic seed oils, and sell it to you in a plastic bottle. The protocol: buy organic, raw, whole mustard seeds. Grind a pinch of them fresh over your sprouted lentils or vegetables right before you eat. The raw powder will activate the cancer-fighting compounds in your entire meal. But here is the terrifying truth. You can eat all 8 of these biblical, living plant foods, and you will absorb absolutely none of their nutrients if your intestines are coated in glyphosate. Glyphosate is the active ingredient in industrial weed killers. It is heavily sprayed on almost every commercial crop in the Western world. It operates as a patented antibiotic. It literally scorches the earth of your gut microbiome, destroying the precise bacteria you need to absorb the nutrition from God's plants. If your gut is coated in glyphosate, your cells are starving, no matter how perfectly you eat. You have to flush the chemical out first. There is a specific, aggressive, 72-hour ancient detox protocol that strips this toxic chemical completely out of your gut lining and restores your cellular absorption. You cannot afford to build your diet on poisoned ground. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the 72-hour glyphosate detox protocol. Your true healing cannot begin until this chemical is out of your system. Click the video on your screen right now, and I will see you there.